Once upon a time in the city of Mecca, there was a little boy named Ayaan. He was very curious about life and always asked questions about how to be a good person. One day, he heard a story from his grandfather about Prophet Muhammad, PBUH, and his kindness. Ayaan was so amazed by the story and wanted to know more about how the Prophet showed kindness. His grandfather told him, Ayaan, Prophet Muhammad, PBUH, was not just a leader, but a person who cared deeply for everyone. He was kind to the poor, to animals, and even to those who did not like him. Ayaan was curious and asked, but how did the Prophet show kindness, grandfather? Grandfather smiled and said, once, there was a woman who used to throw garbage at Prophet Muhammad, PBUH, every day as he passed by her house. One day, the Prophet did not see her outside, so he stopped and asked someone about her. They told him she was sick. Instead of being angry or upset, Prophet Muhammad, PBUH, went to her house to check on her and offered her his help. The woman was so moved by his kindness that she accepted Islam. Ayaan's eyes widened in amazement. So, the Prophet was kind even to those who were mean to him? He asked. His grandfather nodded. Yes, Ayaan. The Prophet taught us that kindness is the greatest strength. No matter what others do to you, always respond with kindness and love. This is the true way of Islam. From that day on, Ayaan made it his mission to always be kind to everyone, just like Prophet Muhammad, PBUH. Moral of the story, kindness has the power to change hearts. Just like Prophet Muhammad, PBUH, showed love and care for everyone, we should also treat others with kindness, no matter their behavior towards us. By doing so, we can spread peace and love around us.